what are the benefits of a plant-based lifestyle? So to get into it, I want to make a distinction. You can have a plant-based diet that is really processed, loads of refined foods. You can have a plant-based diet that is lots like whole foods, minimally processed, lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Talking about that sort of plant-based diet, okay? So the first one we're going to go over is BMI. So generally speaking, people on a plant-based diet have lower BMIs. There's a study of 60,000 people, and there was a marked difference between the BMI of those different types of diet. The more plant-based the diet became, the lower the average BMI is. Non-vegetarians had a BMI of 2.8, pesco vegetarians 2.6, lacto-vo vegetarians BMI of 25.7, and vegans had a BMI of 23.6. So the path to weight loss is a more plant-based lifestyle, more whole food, minimally processed plant-based lifestyle. We know this. You eliminate all the meat, the dairy products, the cheese, the butter, the cream, and you replace it with fiber-filled foods, whole grains, legumes, beans, fruits, vegetables. You're gonna lose weight. You're gonna lose weight.